All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's here. The unboxing of B Solo Buds. Y'all ready to do it? Let's get to it. All right, so this is the case. What it look like, a little plastic piece. I don't know what that is on the back though. Yeah, let me tear that little tab off. All right, let's look at that. Is that a case? Is a paper between it? Oh, the Apple QR code. I don't have Apple. I don't do Apple, so don't worry about it. Nothing on the back. What else is in here? Let's see. There's the case. I don't know what that is. All right, let's take this out and see. So this the case. This the smallest case I've had for any earbuds. There ain't no thing to show where it's fully charged or not. It's a USB plug. So this is what the earbuds look like. I wish I could have saw that before I got it, because I might have would have chose another brand. But I had to get used to it being in my ear, because you gotta twist it once you put it in your ear. Okay, now I know what those are. Those are earplugs. They got different sizes just in case your hole is big or small. So I've had them for a couple of days now, and they got good bass, they got good sound, they're very clear, they last pretty long too. It didn't take long to charge them also. So all in all, I like them so far. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.